Today guys, I will show you how to upgrade your Citizen app to Plus, easy and quick. So you should open first your Citizen, and after that, after opening your Citizen, you have to come right now and click on your profile from here. Here, and after that you will find your profile, click upgrade to Plus, click, and right now read all of this and confirm it by clicking on upgrade to Plus or to Premium if you want. Click like this, and after that add your information, your debit and credit card, or if you have PayPal, and then you will upgrade to Plus. That's all. Don't forget to like and also subscribe. See you next.